Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Ravindra, Dermatologist and Cosmetologist at Meenakshi Cosmo Derma Care, Arkere Micro Layout. I'm also visiting consultant at Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. Skin rejuvenation. Rejuvenation means restore, revitalize, and fill with energy kind. That means giving an energy or vigor to the skin. That means to strengthen the collagen and elastin which is present beneath the skin. So skin rejuvenation, there are various kinds like rejuvenate to giving a fresh look to the skin. Take adequate fresh fruits and vegetables. Drink adequate water, 2 to 3 liters of water per day, and reduce your stress level and have a good 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Doing some yoga and exercise will be helpful to maintain the youth and the vigor of the skin. So this youthful appearance of skin is called skin rejuvenation. Apart from this, daily using a sunscreen if you are going outdoor, or if you are using too much of daytime lights at home, using a sunscreen with infrared protection will be helpful to maintain the youthful appearance. Other than that, whatever the blemish or the fine lines and wrinkles have started in your early 30s or 40s, to restore back your skin vigor, we can meet a dermatologist to have a discussion about your skin rejuvenation part using an ideal moisturizer or a face wash or a peel or a laser treatment if required, depending on the type of the skin you have.